Daily Yoga Poses videos. Number 1 includes Tadasana. Tadasana is one of the most basic and fundamental standing postures in yoga. It is called the mountain pose because the body stands tall, stable, and grounded like a mountain. Weight shifting awareness. Slowly lean your body to the right side, shifting the weight onto the right foot. Observe the pressure and balance. Come back to the center slowly. Now lean to the left side, shifting the weight onto the left foot. Feel the grounding through the foot. Come back to the center. Gently lean forward without lifting the heels. Return to the center. Slowly lean backward carefully without compressing the lower back. Feel the heels grounding into the mat. Come back to the center and find equal balance on both feet. Benefits of Tadasana: improves posture and body alignment, enhances balance and stability, strengthens legs and core muscles, creates body awareness and grounding, prepares the body for all standing yoga postures, encourages calm and mindful breathing. Now slowly raise your arms overhead. Interlock your fingers and stretch the entire body upward like a tall palm tree. Lift through the chest, lengthen the spine, and feel the stretch from toes to fingertips. These poses help improve posture, balance, concentration, and body awareness.